Hi, I'm Sam from Red Arrow, a UK-based distributor of lighting and electrical products. Today I'm going to highlight the key features and benefits of our LED AC driverless floodlight range. The new range of driverless floodlights are available in standard, PIR and photocell options, all with a black finish and an aluminium LED tray. This multi-purpose range is suitable for commercial sites, factories, leisure centres, and the lower wattage options are great for residential use. The design of these floodlights is more compact and slimline than previous models, making them decorative and aesthetically pleasing. They also offer a reduced weight, making them easier and safer to install. The driverless floodlights have fewer components, which leads to improved reliability and peace of mind for the user. So what do these products have to offer? They come with a white internal reflector, a generous 1 metre cable and a mounting bracket. PIR versions are supplied with a renowned Red Arrow 4-core cable to enable a straightforward manual override of the PIR. The PIR has 3 settings that the user can customise to their own preferences: sensitivity, which controls the distance that the PIR will turn on from; time, which controls how long the light remains on for; and lux, which determines how dark it is before the floodlight turns on. The range offers 80 lumens per watt, wattages ranging from 10 to 300, 6000 Kelvin colour temperature, aluminium body and a 2-year guarantee for peace of mind. The driverless AC technology offers the following benefits: fewer components and therefore it's more reliable, no added driver making it more cost effective, the product life is not limited by the driver. For more information on the products featured in this video or any other Red Arrow products or services, please contact our sales team or visit our website.